We start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we can expect the price drop somewhat similar to what we have here. Then from there, we can look for running flat, okay? First of all, if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, as we mentioned in last analysis, we have a divergence. That's why we mentioned if we can expect the price to drop, and this is exactly what we get. And right now we're looking at this one. We want to see this one can give us one more drop, because if he wants to look for running flat, we expect the price drop some more. Because from there we need, if he wants to look for trades for buy, we need to get. I mean, as I mentioned, this one have to drop some more, because it can give us better trade setup if we're looking for the reversal. Because if the price reverse from here, the only way is to have entry above this. That's why we want this one drop some more, at least drops to 181.7, at least 81, I mean 181. All right, one more drop, then any reversal from there we can look for buy. If we get any trade setup for buy, we're looking for target as 214 following by 228. Okay, and can we look for sell if we move to 15 minutes for the short term? The way this one is forming, I don't think we can get really good sell. We're looking for the price to drop, but if he wants to look for a sell, the only way is if this one turn to a deeper correction. And even if we get any sell, we're looking for the target of 181.7. Then from there, if there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. The reasons I mentioned about the sell, if we refer to the indicators, we have a divergence. How about if this is the start of the down move? That's why if we get any sell from here, based on lower time frame, we can consider it as a short-term sell with a target of 181. That means if we get a sell, if there is a continuation, we keep the trade. That means as long as we get the trade, it. I mean, we get the trade and it moves to the profit. We can at least move our stop loss to break even. If there is a continuation, we keep the trade. If not, we take out the trade. Then from there we can look for reversal. All right. Anyway, to look for sell as a short term, it depends on the traders. And as I mentioned, in case this is the start of the down move, later I will explain based on forward chart. But what we're looking for this one to give us one more drop. We look for running flat. Any reversal, we can look for buy. Okay, this is what we are looking for. And if we move to forward chart, if I remove these things, we don't have any information to confirm that we can put this one as a flat for one more drop. That's why still we can expect this one to flat for one move up. But any trade within this range, as long as the price haven't broke the previous top, we consider as a short term. This means even if we trading based on 1 hour chart, we are looking for this one as a running flat. As you can see, the first profit is 214. But if we wants to look for the second profit, we wants to see the breakout of the previous top. All right. Anyway, we don't have anything. We don't have anything else to discuss. And even if we move to forward daily chart, we want to see whether we can look for continuation or not. The only thing says we should know if we wants to look for buy, we buying at the top of this bigger correction. That's why if we get any trade setup, we need to see the continuation. If it turns to a corrective move, we have to have a proper management in case, as I mentioned, in case this one turned to a flat for one more drop. That's why I mentioned if we get any any trade setup for sell based on lower time frame, we can consider to look for. To take the trade in case this is the start of the down move. And beside that, that's why if we wants to look for buy, we wants to get one more drop to see the flat to look for the reversal. Simply, we cannot buy within this one. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank